Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we'll be doing a review on Asteria's hair. Now I was so excited to do this review, one because I've never had a 5x5 closure in my life, and yet alone a 5x5 closure wig that I did not have to make. So I was really excited, and I love this curl pattern. I will have all the details listed down below about this hair and where to purchase and coupon codes and etc. So yes guys, this wig is beautiful. It is gorgeous. It is extremely soft, and like I said, I've never had a 5x5 closure ever, so I was excited. These knots were very easy to bleach, and as you can see, I went ahead already and added my foundation, washed it, and everything else. Now I will be using adhesive to install this wig today, and of course my baby, the Ghost Bond. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same steps I usually do for a closure install, such as cutting off the little thick pieces on the side, and I'm going to go ahead and install my wig. Now, as usual, the first step you want to do is go ahead and clean your hairline with 91% or stronger alcohol. And after I do that, I am going to go ahead and cut the flaps off the sides and then begin to add my adhesive to lay this wig down. Now, the hairline was already pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck it some more. And it's just like everything about this wig was just perfect. Like, I really loved it, and I actually wore this to go out to my sister's performance, so it was just like the perfect look for, especially for what I was wearing that night. So it just went in so perfect. But however, I'm going to go ahead and glue this thing down and just add a couple baby hairs towards the front to give it a more, hairstyle type of look versus me just, doing a simple install. Now, I loved how the lace disappeared once I laid down my closure. So this lace is very good quality. If I'm not mistaken, it may be Swiss lace. However, it was just like perfect. Knots were small and everything like that. So when I laid my closure down, it really like disappeared into my skin. So those is the qualities and hair companies that you really want to look for, and you won't know until you actually purchase the hair. But guys, trust me on this one, like, this wig is everything. It's like really everything. So now that I added my layers of glue, I'm going to go ahead and pull that lace down into that glue, and I'm going to begin to blow dry it down using my fingers to, not really mash it in, but to help melt it in. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut off that extra lace, and like I mentioned before, as you can see, once I cut that lace off, it's just like, where is the lace? Like, you don't see it melted exactly, and it's not even tacked down all the way. So I am going to go ahead and slip the glue onto the places that are still lifting, and then I'm going to get into the actual styling of this wig. Now, what I am proud about myself when it comes to this video is like, I did a better job at doing my baby hairs on camera. I usually like go off and do most of it, but I actually did most of it on camera, so I am proud of myself on that. But of course, just like how you guys watch my videos, I'm always watching other YouTuber videos to try new things and stuff like that. So stay tuned for new videos that I am posting. I have some new techniques to share with you guys as far as baby hairs, install, placement, everything. Like, I have so many tricks and new ideas coming, so please stay tuned for all my new videos that I will be posting this week. And don't forget to turn on those alarm bells. You don't want to miss out on anything, because it's like I'm going to get more creative with my videos and everything else. But back to this install, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry that down. And I am going to do a middle part, as you can see from the thumbnail video, with the thumbnail clip or photo. I will be doing a center part, and I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair off. I'm going to go ahead and wet it. I'm using water and conditioner. Then I'm going to go in with my mousse at the top to help get it laid down a little bit more. So once I do that, I'm going to section off hair for my baby hairs or whatever like that. And then pretty much the rest is history. You guys will see what I am doing. So I am using that mousse to like smooth the hair back, because I wanted to like push back a little bit towards the front. And now I'm going to take my scissors and cut their hair down to about 1 inch or less, because I'll be using that for baby hairs. And I'm just going to use the Got To Be gel to swoop the baby hairs, because I usually don't like my baby hairs to move when I have it. Just easier for me, less maintenance for me. So I am using that mousse to define the curls after I use my water. So just continue to follow these steps for this simple install and you should be satisfied. Now I'm going to use a small tooth comb to, you know, swoop my baby hairs. And the key to swooping baby hairs is just, you want to kind of just create C's. Like, just move your hands in a C motion using your hands and your fingers and whatever you're using to swoop it. Just in your mind, think of creating C's, creating C's. And once you create the C, you just want to smooth the hair into the rest of the hair, so it blends in nice and smooth. And you might not cut enough hair to create baby hair, so if you do miss some pieces, just go back in and cut it. It's, you know, no big deal or anything like that. Now when it came to the finishing look, I noticed that it looks like the hair was a little thinner on one side, but it's not a problem. For a quick fix, all I did was just lay my comb in the center of my part, and I took some black spray and I sprayed like both sides of the hair with that tail comb laying in the center of my part, so my part is not black, to make it look, you know, much fuller towards the top. So like I said, if you ever have an issue like this, just that's your quick fix. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys on camera, but I kind of hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to repeat it just in case you didn't catch it. For that little spot that looks thin right there in the front, I'm just going to take the end of my rat tail comb and lay it down in the middle and spray black spray on both sides, because this is the finishing look. And if you notice that that little clear spot, thinner spot, is erased. But however, this hair is absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it, and I recommend to all to give it a try and purchase. So thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time.